first. Okay. And again, we'll look at more of that today. Okay. Ainsley, go for it.
So I'm just thinking, how do you start, say, for instance, you're doing a second session.
Mm-hmm.
How do you start? I know that you say and ask, what's the problem?
Mm-hmm.
But if we've spoke on a consultation call and we've already had a session,
Mm-hmm.
they not look at you a bit like, sorry.
So how do you
like,
start the second
what?
session? Yeah. All you want to do is just reframe that question and say, what's been happening since?
Okay. Yeah. Perfect.
What's crazy is a client could leave your first session and go, it didn't work. I feel the same, this, and this. And you go, okay, what's been happening since? Well, I actually have quit smoking. I've already lost weight. I feel better, this. But what I'm looking for is that dog that barks next door still annoys me. Oh, that means the whole session didn't work. This is what I mean about clients looking for what they want instead of realizing what's actually there. It's the same mindset and frame as a therapist. When you're too busy looking for what hypnosis should be, what the breakthrough should look like, and you're spinning around your own conclusions, you'll miss that wonderful person sitting in front of you. Remember, most communication is all unconscious. So what the hell are you talking for? You've got an unconscious mind in front of you. You've got an unconscious mind. Let them do the work. Stop interfering with that. Okay. So just reframe it as what's been happening since, because you'll be quite surprised when your client tells you what has changed.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what I mean about the logic. You could go, okay, so all of those things have happened since. That sounds pretty good. And they go, huh, you know what? It is pretty good. Second session done. You can move on. So exhaust that logic.
Yeah, cool.